What's up, my friends? How are you? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will talk about the DigiByte as one of the best cryptocurrencies. As you know about DigiByte, very fastly growing up, but unfortunately a lot of people message me on Instagram that as you can see here, the change occur as very negative, so they are confused that what should they do at this time because the changes is negative. So at is the best time to buy, sell or hold. So they are confused and this decision. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold DigiByte. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about DigiByte and other cryptocurrency markets, friends. As you can see here, first of all, we look the price of DigiByte is about 0.130629 USD dollar is the current price of DigiByte in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, if you look the change occur in DigiByte in the last 20-hour change as negative, and the last 1 day change is negative, and the last 1 week, last 7-day change is positive. So a lot of people confused that what should they do now. Let's see for more details the price prediction chart of DigiByte. Let's see what's the change goes at this time and currently situation of DigiByte in a cryptocurrency market, friends. As you can see here, friends, that is the live price prediction of DigiByte. As you can see here at this time, friends, as you can see here at this time, they fast down very badly, but as you can see here now at this time, they again take a jump. That is why, as you can see here, the change as a negative 0.14%, which is very less change. So that is why they are moving upwards. So don't worry about this change, they are soon positives. Don't worry about this change, friends. Now let's see for more details. Let's check it out, the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes and a DigiByte in technical. Let's do a technical analysis. After that we decide that what's the change goes. As you can see here, the change occurred in DigiByte in the last 1 day as about negative 7.93%, and if we look the high price, so the high price is about 0.148716 is the high price of DigiByte in the last 1 day. Now if we look the current situation, the current price of DigiByte in a cryptocurrency market, so the current price is about 0.130472 USD dollar is the current price of DigiByte at this time point, friends. Now friends, let's do the technical analysis. What's the next target of DigiByte? Let's check it out, friends. Let's suppose that is a support level, let's suppose, and that is a resistance level, friends. As you can see here, if DigiByte continue has traveled between these two lines, so as you can see here, now the fast occur in DigiByte, as you can see here, and now after a fast there is a jump. As you can see here, they take again jump, and after a jump again falls down, and now they again take a jump, but they can't break the support line. As you can see here, now you can see here, now again they take a jump, they come at this point, friends, and after that they again falls down for a later time. That means that the not change occur in DigiByte positive, only positive change occur in DigiByte. A big jump, a big pump of DigiByte are coming soon, so kindly please hold your DigiByte with the last half this month, friends. What's your opinion about DigiByte? Please share in the comment box. I think 70% chances to they move upward and 30% chances to they falls down, friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. If you are a holder, so please hold DigiByte. It is the best decision for all of you.